So today we're out camping in the Fish Lake National Forest in central Utah, and we have a little Honda 1000 generator, and we got this new one. It's a Westinghouse WH2200iXLT. We just felt like we need a little more juice to run all the things we want to in our motorhome. So I'm going to open this and we're going to see what's going on in here. Doing it all one-handed. Ooh, okay. So here's the box. Crackle, crackle. Came with a little container of 4-stroke small engine oil. Note that says, "Congratulations, this item qualifies for a bonus item if you leave a review." We better leave a review. And then some parts. A screwdriver and a tubey thing. I don't know what the tubey thing is. Oh, and a plastic container. Tube for filling oil capacity. I don't know anything about generators, but I'm going to hope I can work this one out. Okay, we're ready to unbox it now. It's in a big plastic bag. So, hold on one second. I'm going to pull it out and then we'll see what we got. Okay. So, here's the manual. So, make sure you read that before you do anything with it. And then it says it's 46 pounds. I think I can do it by myself. I did it by myself. Even a girl can lift it. Or a woman. I'm a woman. And that's what it looks like. Looks pretty fancy. Okay, it has a bunch of buttons. Power out 120 volts. Breaker. Efficiency mode, a choke. Tells you if there's low oil or overload. Output ready. And ground. It's this. Ooh, you can plug in your cigarette lighter. Plug for your cell phone. Oh, a deer just went across the meadow. Awesome. Okay, so now before we start this thing, we have to add oil because it says here oil has been drained for shipping. So there was a little panel here. I just unscrewed that off, and then I took off this little cap right here. And now we're going to put in the oil, and it calls for 400 milliliters. So this is 200, so I'll fill that twice. Like baking a cake. Okay. Has this little bendy piece. So it turns out that bottle of oil was 400 milliliters, and so you just have to fill that thing twice with all the oil that's in there. And then I'm just going to screw this cap on nice and tight. And then I'll put the panel back on too. All done with the oil. So I have the oil cover on that I put on with the screwdriver that was included. So now I have a new screwdriver tool, and we're going to put in gas. And it says don't fill the gas any higher than the red ring inside. So that's what we're going to do. Put gas in it. Okay, so I filled it with fuel, put the cap back on, turned this ventilation so it gets a little ventilation in there. Pull out the choke, turn it on, and then I'm going to try to pull it. And there you go. There's our new generator. Listen to how quiet it is. I like that. I like the quietness because we've had our Honda, which seems a little noisier. We'll compare them right now. But it was older. The Honda was much older. We've had it for a lot of years. So we're going to compare the two and see how they compare. So this is our old Honda X1000. And we've had it for a lot of years, but let's just do a little comparison of noise. Okay, so that's the noise from the Honda EX1000. Okay, I'm going to turn it off. Now we'll go over here to... Are you still filming me? Okay. Okay, and here we are with the Westinghouse 2200, and here's the noise on this one. And there you go. There is our comparison of our Honda EX1000 and our Westinghouse 2200. We just need a little more power for our needs, so we're excited about our new purchase.